In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Desmos Graphing Calculator to solve systems of equations. On your worksheet, you see the system 4x minus y equals 5, goes in line 1, and negative y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4 goes in line 2. So this is the system. It says, two print shops charge different prices for flyers. When will the cost be the same, and what is the cost? So on your sheet, you can see that the x value, it represents the number of flyers, and the y value represents the total cost. So if I know how many flyers are going to be printed at either shop, I can calculate the cost. To find out when these are going to be the same is when the two equations are equal. Step 2 on your worksheet says zoom out. If you cannot see this point of intersection where the two lines cross here at the ordered pair 2, 3, then you can use this zoom, this minus sign, to zoom out until you can see it. Okay, so when you type it in, it might just look like this and you only see one line. You're just going to zoom out until you see that intersection. And if you click on it, this copy button right here will pop that ordered pair into line 3 for you. You can click that label and it'll even label it on the graph. This is the solution to the system. That's it. Like, that's as simple as it gets. The solution is where the two lines intersect or meet. If x is 2 in the first equation, the y value will be 3. If x is 2 in the second equation, the y value will also be 3. Now you're going to interpret the solution. Remember, x is the number of flyers and y is the total cost. So this means that 2 flyers, because x is 2, will cost $3 because y is the amount in dollars. Now, there are a couple special cases. Parallel lines, they don't intersect, which means there is no solution to the system. I'm going to just give you a quick example. These two lines are parallel. They never touch. You can zoom out as much as you want. Eventually, it'll look like it's the same line, but if you look really carefully, they're not. They're not the same line. I can still see both of them. All right, that's parallel lines. There is no solution. There is no x value in both equations that will give the exact same y value. There's another special case where they are the exact same line. Okay, this means there are an infinite number of solutions. Any x in this equation will produce the same y as the x's and y's in this equation. And obviously I wrote the same equation twice, but it could look a little bit different. Like, they could be the exact same equation and they would have infinite solutions. This is how you would solve a system of equations by graphing.